everybody, and welcome to my very first Spooktober video of 2021. Spooktober last year was a little bit of a write-off, so I plan on rectifying that this year. I'm going to kick off with this Halloween set using these super cute water decals from Print by Example. Obviously, they're my favourite water decals about. Best quality going, and you can do custom ones as well, which is even better. So I've only done 4 tips for this set. I obviously forgot that you have 5 nails. I'm joking, I just couldn't think of anything for the middle one. But we're going to do 2 black and 2 white tips. And as always, just to get them completely opaque, I am going to do 2 coats of white and black on the tips and cure them with my lamp. And then we can get started with the rest of the design. So yeah, like I said, Spooktober last year was a complete write-off, so I want to try and do it again this year. My plan is to upload twice a week, Sunday and then either a Wednesday or a Thursday. However, I'm uploading this one late on a Thursday, which wasn't my initial intention, but you know, shit happens, life gets in the way, you can't always get things done exactly when you want them to. But we're going to do a few sets on Ben as well, and we're just going to try and do as many Halloween things as possible. So all of the instructions for the Print by Example water decals are on the back, really clear, so you can obviously read how to use them. However, I have lots and lots of videos on my channel using a whole variety of different techniques for water decals, including how you can use them on any background, even darker colours, how you can use the stamp hack for just transferring them, and then the just traditional method of actually applying your water decals. It's all down to personal preference. Today I'm going to just use the stamper method to transfer the water decals. I kind of messed these 2 character nails up slightly. I went a little bit OTT with the nail foil, however it's not a problem. And it wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't try and push the air bubbles out of the second one. The first one, this one isn't so bad. I like to do the stamper method because I can see exactly where I'm placing it, and I find that I have less creasing when I do it this way than what I would normally. I am naturally very heavy-handed, which doesn't help, and I got glitter all over my gloves. So as you can see, those are little specks of glitter, and I didn't want to leave this nail completely plain. I just felt like that was a little bit boring. So I had some leftover foil from one of my previous videos. I did an autumn compilation, so I thought we'll just stick a little bit around the nail. And you know, this one isn't so bad. I was fairly light-handed. I didn't go full whack with the foil like I do on the second one. But I just thought this sort of gold green hue that it has to it looked really pretty. It tied it in with the black nails that I was going to do. So yeah, I'm now going in with like a base sort of builder gel. I'm using Cuccio for this. It's just one that I had in my drawer. And then I'm curing that on the lamp. That was just to encapsulate the foil and the water decal. And then as you can see, I really went mad with the foil for the second nail, and when I looked I was like, she's not going to stand out over the background now. So what I did is I took some white stamping polish and I just put this over the design. I didn't go too carefully in the design just because obviously it had a white base. There was a little bit of foil, but it wouldn't really be noticeable if there was some white stamping polish over the top. And then on a brush I just went in and did a little bit more of like the sort of finer details, just so I didn't stick white stamping polish completely everywhere. And then I transfer it, and I think it looks okay. Like, I don't think the foil was too over the top. I find it so satisfying watching it transfer. Like, as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. You can see the detail in it. It was only when I started to press the air bubbles out that the stamping polish underneath hadn't completely dried. So when I pressed down, it picked up more of the gold in the background, and you just saw it even more when I put the buildery stuff over the top. So I think if I left it to dry, it wouldn't have looked so bad. But I cured that in the lamp anyway. And for the other 2 nails, I'm going in with Fire from Nail Chemie, which is this gorgeous sort of like reflective, colour change, colour shift, glittery, mylar-y type of top coat. I think this is perfect for Halloween, especially over black nails. So I just put this over the 2 black nails. This is a really simple, quick video, and I am yabbering the whole way through, so apologies. But yeah, I do that on both of these nails, and then I'm just going to cure it in my lamp. I actually did this black with this colour topper thing over the top on a client the other day, and it looked really good, so I thought I'd just try it with this set. So I matte top coated this guy to see what it would look like, and I'll be brutally honest, I actually think they look better matte than they do shiny. But for whatever reason, I matte top coated the black glittery ones instead of the decals, and I think the detail in the decals would have come out more if they were matte. So again, just showing you that my thinking behind things doesn't always go to plan, but it'll just show you the different options that you could do should you wish to do so. So I'm going to go in with another matte top coat on those glittery matte nails to make them both matte, and then I'm going to make both of the other ones shiny. And I actually think the foil would have looked better on the character nails if it was matte, because it isn't so shiny and in your face, but lesson learned for next time. So basically I'm just going to finish top coating these and then cure them, and I will show you what they look like basically. So yeah, really quick video. Welcome to Spooktober. Please do like and subscribe. I currently have 669 of you. 669 people are subscribed to my channel. Insane. Thank you to each and every one of you. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my my videos, and hopefully you find me relatively amusing and entertaining and useful, and I'll see you in the next one.